If you want to supercharge your business growth this year, video is where it's at. So let's meet up for some coffee and I'll go over the 4 steps to video marketing for business. I'm Patricia Kelikani and I teach how to make pro videos in a fun and simple way to grow your business. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Research shows that businesses who use video grow revenue 49% faster, and I want to help you do just that. Whether you work at a big company or you own a small business, this Friday will have your competition envious over you. Just like my husband as he watches me take our bike out for a ride to our favorite coffee shop. So here's what I call the 4 P's of video marketing. Step number 1, planning. This first step is probably the most important, yet the most overlooked.
Hi, I'll have a rose bouquet latte.
In the planning stage, this is where you form your strategy. So some of the things you want to write down are your goals, your target audience, and what problems you want to solve in this video. So let's say you own a restaurant and you make your pasta from scratch. That's something that you may want to do in a video, is show your customers the love that goes into your cooking. Other areas that you need to plan are where you're going to film the video, who's going to be in it, and do you need a script? You also want to make a shot list. This is where you write down what you want to film on video. The second step is production. This is where you have fun filming. So you're going to take everything you planned in step 1 and put the video and audio to it. And remember, there are 4 simple elements when it comes to production: video composition, stabilization, lighting, and audio. You can check out my videos here to learn all about those in a fun and simple way. Now for the third P, post-production. This is where you edit the video. So you're gonna take all the awesome clips you have and form it into an engaging story. Make sure you have the right messaging so that you achieve your goals in step 1. And don't forget about music and graphics, because those are like frosting on a cake. Or, hey, in this case, frosting on a brownie. It's so good. And the last step is for promotion. This is where you show your target audience the awesome video you just made. And there are so many outlets to consider: social media, your email list, events like fundraising events or employee events to boost morale, pitching a story to reporters and bloggers, and including your video in the pitch, post and optimize on YouTube, the second most popular search engine, and make it an ad on Facebook. The list goes on and on. Again, tie the way you promote your video in with your strategy that you did in step 1. So there you go, guys. My 4 P's to video marketing for business. If you liked this video, I would love it if you told me by clicking that thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I would love to know, what would you like to know more about making your own videos to grow your business? If you have just 1 minute, I would love it if you clicked the link below to take my super short survey so that I can help you out in the future. As a thank you, I'll send you my cheat sheet on video marketing. Until then, work a pineapple life, have fun, and wear a crown. Because with video, you're gonna be the hero of your team.